Hello friends, welcome to online lecture series. This is example of Krauss method. This system solved by Krauss method. Here we have given first equation x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. Second equation is x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 8. And third equation is 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4. This given system can be written as Ax is equal to B. Any system, linear system, can be written as Ax is equal to B, where A is coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix means what is coefficient of x, coefficients of y, coefficients of z. Here in first equation, coefficients of x is 1, so first entry is 1. Coefficients of y is 2, so second entry means A12 entry is 2, and similarly A13 entry is minus 1. And here is 3 variable and 3 equation. So capital X is equal to XYZ column matrix, and capital B is this one 2 8 4 column matrix. So A augmented B can be written as this type. So in Krauss method we have seen matrix A write as L into U, where L is lower triangular matrix and U is unit upper triangular matrix. If you multiply both the matrix, you get this one. This is simply matrix multiplication. If you compare both the matrix, left hand side matrix is A matrix and right hand side matrix is this one. So L11 is equal to first entry of matrix A is 1. So you get L11, U12 and U13. Similarly, all the unknowns you get. So matrix L is 1 0 0 1 1 0 and 2 minus 3 18. Matrix U is 1 2 minus 1 0 1 5 0 0 1. That is matrix L and matrix U. Our next step is put Ux is equal to y, where y is, here is 3 unknown, so y is y1 y2 y3 column matrix. Then Ly is equal to B. Why Ly is equal to B? First of all, you write Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B. Then Ux is equal to y, Lux is equal to B, because first of all you have to take A is equal to L into U. Then if Ux is equal to y, if you put Ux is equal to y, then Ly is equal to B, where y is column matrix y1 y2 y3. So you get Ly is equal to B, that is here. So L is known matrix, this one you get from this. So matrix L is known, matrix B is, where is B? B is 2 8 4 column matrix. So Ly is equal to B and y is this one. If you multiply matrix L and matrix Y, compare with 2 8 4, you get y1 y2 y3. How to multiply L into Y? So this entry multiply by this one, so you get y1 is equal to 2. Second row first column, so you get y1 plus y2 plus 0 is equal to 8. So but y1 is equal to 2, so y2 is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. Third row first column, so you get 2y1 minus 3y2 plus 18y3 is equal to 4. y1 and y2 are known, so you get y3. So now you have value of y, it is 2 6 and minus 1. Now from this Ux is equal to y, this equation, you get value of x, because value of u is known. Here is value of u, here is value of u, and value of y is 2 6 minus 1. So if you solve these two matrices, multiply and compare with 2 6 1, you get x, y and z. It is 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 1. So this is our example to solve simultaneous linear equation using Crouch method. I repeat, first of all, you have to write Ax is equal to B, where A is coefficient matrix, this one, and X is unknown. Then you have to write A as L into U. L is lower triangular matrix and U is unit upper triangular matrix. If you multiply L into U, then compare with matrix A, then you get matrix L and matrix U. Further, if you choose Ux is equal to Y, where Y is column matrix, Y1, Y2 and Y3, this one, then Ly is equal to B, that we will see, we have seen. So Ly is equal to B, where L is, as we have find value of L, put in this equation. Value of Y is, we have chosen Y1, Y2, Y3, and matrix B is from system 284. So you get value of Y1, Y2 and Y3. Now using Ux is equal to Y, find value of X, Y and Z. It is 1, both value 1. If you solve this equation, you get value of X, Y and Z is equal to 1.